Episode 10, Momentum. When I was a kid, I read a story by my classmate that went something like this. This is Jeff. Jeff has brown eyes, brown hair, and a yellow shirt. His friend is Bob. Bob has blue eyes, blonde hair, and a red shirt. These lines stuck with me for years, because they were so bad that they actually confused me. I knew that there was something deeply and terribly wrong with them, but I didn't know how to explain what I felt. But now I'm a grown-up with a degree in English, so I do know how to explain it. The problem is that description is generally boring to read. It's obvious in a case like this, where the writing is so bad that it's almost juvenile, but even good books have this problem sometimes. Remember The Hobbit? It's absolutely filled with this. Descriptions of hobbits, descriptions of people walking, it's terrible. A little description is okay, but The Hobbit has entire pages explaining where the squad walks and when they decide to rest and how they try to make a fire but can't. Even if the rest of the book is excellent, these passages drag so much that it's hard to get to the good bits. So what's the solution? The best thing to do is to weave description into the character's actions. For example, let's say we have an interview scene where a haughty but anxious boss is interviewing the hero. As the writers, we've decided that this character is bald, keeps his suit pristine, and he has a nervous tic when he talks. Here is a bad way to describe him. I walked into the room. The man was bald, and his suit was pristinely well kept. He seemed to be in charge of things, but when he spoke, he had a nervous tic. "Ah, please, come in," he said, a strange smile on his face. "I've been waiting for you." This is a very fanficky style of writing. It's almost like the author is reading off of a checklist. Tell the reader he's bald, check. Tell them about the suit, check. Tell them about the nervous tic, check. Okay, now we can start telling the story. Don't write like this. Instead, you should incorporate your description into the natural momentum of the events. As I walked into the room, a bald man in a suit pulled out a chair for me. "Ah, please, come in," he said. "I've been waiting for you." I sat down, and he sat across from me. "Welcome to our company," he said. He fought to keep a strange smile on his face. "What can I do for you?" A speech defect, I wondered. The man seemed otherwise well put together. His suit was immaculate, and he had the air of an experienced businessman. But whenever he spoke, his teeth chattered, especially on his C's and K's. This writing is better. The details and events are the same, but instead of dumping a bunch of information on the reader right away, in this passage we spread it out, and use the information to build intrigue. The hero is learning about the boss in the same way that we are. The momentum of the conversation builds our mental image naturally. I was wondering what other examples I could use for this video, and I found an excellent one by accident. See, there's this book called Trigger Warning. You may have heard of it. Its only selling point is that it's offensive, but I was honestly more offended by the prose quality than by the content itself. I have here a sampling from the first few pages, which are available for free on the internet somewhere. Here's what you should notice. After the intriguing first sentence, the book takes 3 full paragraphs just describing things around the protagonist before anything happens. It goes without saying that it should not take your protagonist 3 paragraphs to get out of bed. But the responses to the book are amazing. I found this gem of a comment by PhilosophyTube on this video reading the book aloud. Dirk Mangun rolled out of bed, being careful not to disturb the 2 blonde cheerleaders who had been sleeping peacefully beside him. He retrieved his polymer-framed Glock G45 from under his pillow and his old blue jeans from the corner of his room, next to his electric guitar, where one of the babes had casually tossed them last night. His grandfather's old leather jacket creaked as he pulled it over a plain white t-shirt, which was tight across his big chest. With long strides, he loped to the bathroom and urinated from his prodigious penis, still sore from last night's activities. As he glanced in the mirror at his tousled black hair and stubbled chin, Dirk thought, masculinity is a prison, but prisons are necessary to keep bad dudes like me in and should never be critically interrogated. It's hilarious satire of hypermasculinity, but it's also the perfect example for explaining description and momentum. Every detail has a triple purpose: to build up your mental image, to explain what happened the night before, and to help you understand Dirk Mangun as a character. It's almost overloaded with information, which is why it reads more like a copypasta and less like a paragraph from an actual book. But despite that information overload, it centers on the simple actions of the main character, which is why it's still legible and interesting. This paragraph is a shining example of how to use momentum in writing, which is especially impressive since Mr. Tube seems to have written it off the cuff. Momentum-based description is harder to write than static description, but the difference is worth it. Take a look at any suspenseful or action-packed scene from your favorite book, and you'll see that the author uses momentum to build your mental image without pausing for any description. That's not to say static description is always bad. For example, I like the passage from The Hobbit describing the hobbits from episode 8. But if you want to master writing, you should first master momentum-based description. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe for new videos every Monday at 1 p.m. Eastern. Thanks for watching.